Yeah. But then he says, وَفَصْلَ الْخِتَابِ. And I want our young Hufaz and our young Imams here to hear this. What is he saying? وَفَصْلَ الْخِتَابِ. Allah says, and he gave Dawood the gift of delivering khutbah. Look, it's in the verse 20, chapter 38. See? I ain't telling you that, it's here. Having the ability to deliver a khutbah is a gift from Allah. And Allah considers it that it was a gift that he gave to Dawood ﷺ, that he will get up with the people and he will deliver the message of the Zabur. That's why you see we train people. As some people ask, why are you training all these people? We train people to give khutbah because Allah gifted Dawood ﷺ with the ability to give khutbah. And it's a gift from Allah. And this is the word. Go back and check it, chapter 38, verse 20. And Allah uses the word khutbah, not just bayan, clarification and lecture. A khutbah, because he used to deliver the khutbah, the message of the Zabur to the people. He used to make the dhikr of the Zabur with the birds and the mountains, the animals.